We spend our entire lives building a massive fortress called the self, a complex structure made of labels, roles, and the heavy expectations of the world. But have you ever paused to wonder beneath the heavy layers of your name, your professional status, and your social identity, who you truly are inside? As the noise of the city begins to fade away, a different kind of call emerges from the silence, beckoning you toward a hidden, forgotten truth. This is the call of awakening, a gentle nudge from the universe asking you to step out of the shadows and into the light of awareness. A single drop falls, and the surface of your constructed reality begins to ripple, revealing the vast, undisturbed depth that lies waiting beneath your everyday thoughts. The journey does not require you to travel far, but rather to return to the place you never truly left, the core of your silent being. Let go of the need to be someone and for a moment, simply allow yourself to exist without the burden of a story or a destination. In this sacred space of non-doing, the phantoms of your past and the anxieties of your future begin to dissolve into the morning light of presence. True, freedom is not about acquiring more things. It is the profound state of having absolutely nothing left to lose or to protect from the world. When you finally stop trying to define yourself, you do not become empty in the sense of loss. Instead, you become as vast as the sky. The masks we wear are heavy, forged from the fires of social validation and the desperate need to feel significant in a world of constant change. Watch as the titles you once cherished turn to smoke, realizing that your worth was never tied to these fleeting shadows of worldly achievement and praise. Look into the mirror of your soul and see the image dissolve until the one who looks and the things seen become a single, unified awareness. The labels are just clothing for the spirit. When you strip them away, what remains is the naked radiance of existence, untouched and forever free. Time itself begins to lose its grip when you no longer identify with the person who has a history, opening the door to the eternal now. To be. No one is to be everything. It is the paradox of the void that contains the seeds of all possible forms and all potential lives. The performance is over, the actors have left, and in the quiet of the empty theatre, the true essence of the play is finally understood clearly. Walking without leaving a trace, you move through the world with the grace of the wind, unattached to the results of your actions or your thoughts. In this grand surrender, you find that the I was only a thought, and without that thought, the universe is free to breathe through you. In the silent gap between two breaths, the self momentarily pauses its constant chatter, allowing you to glimpse the profound stillness of your true nature. This is where the dance of emptiness begins, a movement that is not a movement, a sound that is born from the heart of total silence. You are no longer the observer watching life from the outside. You are life itself, observing its own infinite variety through the window of awareness. Listen to the steady rhythm of your heart, not as a machine, but as the drumbeat of the entire universe echoing within your very own chest. Thoughts arise like smoke and dissolve back into the air, leaving no mark on the sky of your consciousness, which remains forever blue and wide. The mind settles like silt in a glass of water, revealing a clarity that was always there, hidden by the turbulence of our constant mental activity. In the cold embrace of stillness, you find a warmth that doesn't come from a fire, but from the simple, radiant fact of your existence. Become like the mountain, unmoving amidst the passing clouds of emotion and the seasonal changes of your life's circumstances and various external events. The emptiness is not a void to be feared, but a space to be explored, a vast playground where the light of consciousness can finally play. Focus on the flame of your presence, the part of you that remains awake even when you sleep, the eternal witness to the dance of life. There is a peace here that the world cannot give and the world cannot take away, for it is the peace of your own source. Emptiness is not nothingness. It is the ultimate readiness to contain everything that is, was, or will ever be in this vast, mysterious world. When you are no one, you can truly be anything. You are the blade of grass, the falling rain, and the pulse of the universe. The paradox of presence is that by becoming smaller in your own eyes, you become infinitely larger in the eyes of the cosmic truth. The boundary between the inside and the outside begins to dissolve, revealing a world where everything is connected by an invisible thread of light. You are the river flowing into the ocean, and at the same time, you are the ocean receiving the river, a beautiful cycle of return. The ego is a wall, but presence is a window. Open it, and let the fragrance of the entire world come rushing into your soul. To die to the old self is to be born into a life that is no longer limited by the walls of your own mind. Feel the rain on your skin as if it were your own touch, for the elements are not external to you, they are your siblings. In the mirror of nature, we see our own reflection more clearly than we ever could in the glass houses of our modern human cities. There is no effort in the way the stream flows, and there should be no effort in the way you exist within this holy moment. Let your spirit take flight on the wings of non-attachment, soaring high above the petty concerns of the person you used to believe you were. We are not separate entities searching for meaning. We are the very meaning of the universe expressing itself through many different and unique forms. A single dance performed by 10,000 footsteps. A single song sung by 1 billion voices across the vast reaches of space and time. See the web of life that connects us all, where every strand is vital and every intersection is a moment of divine meeting and grace. From this height, the boundaries we fight over disappear, and we see ourselves for what we truly are, a single, living, breathing planetary organism. The intelligence that moves the stars is the same intelligence that heals your wounds and directs the flow of your very own thoughts today. Align yourself with the source of all light, and you will find that your path is naturally illuminated without any need for external maps. In the laughter of a child, we hear the echo of the original joy of creation before the world taught us how to be serious. The past and the future meet in the present, a bridge made of memories and dreams that ultimately leads back to the same silent center. Every moment is a masterpiece of precision, a unique configuration of the universe that will never be repeated exactly the same way ever again. We are both, the gardener and the garden, the one who sows the seeds of intention and the soil that allows them to bloom. Remember that you are made of stardust, and to the stars you shall return, but the essence of who you are was never born. Finding the self is not about finding a fixed answer or a final destination. It is about learning how to dance with the flow. When you stop clinging to a rigid identity, you become the dance itself, a movement of grace in a world of constant and inevitable change. Accept the impermanence of all things, for in the falling of the leaf there is no resistance, only a beautiful and quiet return to earth. Surrender is not a sign of weakness. It is the ultimate act of courage, the willingness to be moved by a power greater than yourself. The truth remains, even when the forms change. Like the ancient stones, your essence is untouched by the passing seasons of your physical life. Life is a series of waves, and wisdom is the art of surfing them with a heart that remains steady and at peace within. There is a joy that arises for no reason at all, a quiet happiness that comes from simply being alive and aware in this moment. To be empty is to be flexible. Like the tree that bends in the storm, you find strength in your ability to yield to life. The fire of awareness burns away the dross of the ego, leaving behind the pure gold of your eternal and unconditioned being. Return to the source, to the place where all names and all forms are forgotten, and only the pure light of being remains bright. To be no one is to be everyone. To have nothing is to possess the entire universe within the palm of your open hand. Do not fear the silence, for it is the womb of all sound. Do not fear the darkness, for it is the home of light. You have travelled far, but you have never left home. The seeker and the sought have always been one and the same spirit. You are the emptiness that is full of life, the silence that speaks, and the stillness that moves the entire world with love. Be no one to be everything. Let the beautiful dance of your own inner emptiness guide you gently back to your true home today. Be still now. Let the deep silence carry you home. You are not a person having an experience. You are the experience itself. Go home.